Hello everyone, I'm here in Coimbatore and having a great time as a jury, one of the juries of DJMPC competition. I would like to thank LMW and all the organizer related to DJMPC competition for inviting me as a jury, and it is really a great experience. And what I want to mention here that I have a very deep connection with this competition, as in first edition in 2012 I was the winner of a wildlife category, and I love to share one information that because of that award I could start my underwater photographic journey, because with that award money I could buy my first underwater house in that time. So that was a great contribution for me. So that way, what I always feel, that as a photographer, we always try to connect people with the help of our photographs, and we try to inspire people towards conservation, towards nature, so that they start loving the nature. And competition like these, I mean the organizer like LMW or the DJMPC competitions, so they also have a greater vision, so that they inspire us means the photographers, to love and promote the photography. So it's a great role for them. I feel like they inspire us for photography, and we try to inspire people towards conservation. So it's a huge task, I feel. So I would like to thanks for that part. And this year I'm doing this. I'm one of the juries for first time here. And what I felt, it was very professionally and unbiasedly done, which I liked most. There is, a lot of people are involved, and it's very systematic. There is no biasness. We can't see the name of the photographers. So I had a very good feel on whatever we have done in last 2 days of judging. We got a chance to see a lot of great photographs. From different photographers from, I think, from 40 countries from the world, all over the world. So that was a good participation, and great photos. I enjoyed a lot, and wish DJMPC more success in future, and more photographers should be. Hopefully, they will be connected with this competition, and they can show much more interesting images to the rest of the world. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Stephen E from Singapore. I'm very glad to be part of the jury for this year's DJ Memorial Photo Contest. Right, we ran through a lot of images. They are very nice, splendid, and the images quality are getting better and better by the year. Well, there are many reasons. People are more well traveled, equipment are getting better, so they are exposed to more different type of subject matter and content. And I would say in years to come, the images will get more and more challenging as a result. And as we are judging the images, there are a few criteria that we look at. Firstly, of course, is the technical aspect. All right, things like the composition, no hot spots, and of course, next thing is the aesthetic value, and of course, not forgetting the conservation part of the so-called the criteria. All right, so in all, the judging process is very well balanced, balancing artistic value, technical, and the conservation part of it. Some of the important points that we're going to highlight is, of course, the composition, which I think photographers will be very careful about, and the time of the day. And most of the pictures we've seen are very well taken at the correct time with the nice subtle lighting, but there are some which I think they got to be more careful about what time they should avoid all the hot spots and some other so-called distractions. Especially for landscape photography, we try to have minimal man-made structures, that will interfere with the nature element of the whole landscape. So these are some details which photographers have to be very conscious of. So try to read the rules and regulations very clearly, very carefully when you are submitting for competitions. What differentiates the best from the norm will be considered, will be the wow factor. Alright, so when we put pictures side by side in rows of 3 to 4 rows, there are one or two pictures that will tend to give that wow. It can be the colors, the symmetrical design elements, the content, the mood. So So try to look out for some of these great opportunities and don't miss them. Of course, we are always talking about the decisive moment. Wildlife photography, the moment when it comes, if you're lucky, you've got the technical skills, with the right equipment, you get it, and that is what will create some of these wow factor images that we see. We are expecting to see more and more challenging images in the coming years competition. There's nothing wrong in going to the same places, shooting the same content, but the approach, the time of the day, the luck will make the pictures different. And people get more and more motivated as they see more and more images coming in from different parts of the world, from the North Pole to the South Pole, and with better and better equipment, with better dynamic range to capture more details, we are hoping to see more challenging images in the subsequent round of the DM photo contest.
I came from Nainital to this DJMPC salon, and our side is a bit cold, so I was very scared. I thought it must be very hot in this region, but surprisingly there's no such anything. And for judging this salon, we have thoroughly enjoyed these entries, wildlife and nature section, and it took us almost 2 days for judging, and we have seen some very good entries from almost 40 countries. And I have a suggestion: in future you can add like pictorial and other section, the wildlife and that landscape photography. Many few people actually do this kind of photography. In pictorial you get more entries, and in our country there are two top organizations like FIP and IIPC, and they have associated many photography club. So through them more entries can come, and the quality we have find some are very good pictures, and some we are keen to give them award, but the composition is lacking and color saturation very good. So I wish in future this salon will progress day by day.